Welcome all to Plutus IAS. In the previous video, we have discussed the ranges of the Uttarakhand. This time, I am going to make a detailed discussion on the Terai and the Bhabar region. So let's talk about that. So when we were discussing the ranges of the Uttarakhand, that which all ranges are formed over here. So we discussed that Trans Himalayas are also passing through this area, especially Uttarakhand region I am talking about. And then apart from that, there is another range which is Great Himalayas. Then there is Middle Himalayas, Shivaliks, and the last one is there certain plain region is also found here. So in the plain region, I wanted to talk in detail that which all areas are found here. So basically, this is your Himalayas, and after Himalayas, you get the region of Bhabar and Tarai. This is very important regions that we have to discuss in detail. If I talk about Bhabar region, so Bhabar region is formed over here. It is having the width of 15 kilometer, and it is consisted of gravels, big sediments, big pebbles, rocks, boulders, and hence this area is not apt for cultivation. What happens in this area? Because there are glaciers which are present in the Himalayas, this glacier when they melt and the rivers which have been formed, they bring in lot of water downside. When they bring in lot of water downside, there are big pebbles and rocks, particles which are present over here. This gets seeps in through this area and it goes underground. When it goes underground, this area is not having the proper conditions for the cultivation. And what other factors are influencing it? Definitely because the soil is not there, the area is not suitable. So what will happen in this area? Only some trees, big trees can grow with deep roots, and rest the water which will again re-emerge in the Tarai region. Now when water re-emerge in the Tarai region, this makes this area suitable for the cultivation. Now Tarai comparatively is wider and it is able to have the cultivation of some of the crops like wheat, etc. And then this Bhabar region is basically having more extension in the west, in the western regions as compared to in the eastern one. And these two areas are quite prominent, right? So that's all about the Uttarakhand and that's all in the Uttarakhand video series. We'll come up with the next video and with another topic.